Hey everyone, so this is a makeover video for the Batman and Batmobile die-cast metal 124 scale toy, I guess. Alright, these are before shots. It looks like there's specks of paint on it, but it's not. It's actually just dust. Um, so these are the paints I used: sterling silver, sequin black, and gunmetal gray. Also used this chocolate color. I used these colors except for yellow and red. I did not end up using those. I used this tan, which was from the dollar store. Um, Here I am using some of that sterling silver. Um, you really don't have to use a lot of it, and it's totally fine if your brush marks aren't great because the detailing you're going to add on after this part is going to cover most of that. But I took the silver and dry brushed it around like the edges of the vehicle to make it look a little worn, that type of thing. I think it came out pretty well, actually. Um, Already looks more realistic than before. Then I used some gunmetal gray, and I actually used this on the darker parts of the vehicle, parts of the wheels, um, also the engine block up front really needed it. Um, then I used some of the sequin black color, and I used this for the two front the two front rims uh, on the Batmobile. Now it didn't show up too well, but it does help a little bit. Then I took brown paint and water, a straw, and a brush. You put some paint on the brush, you take the straw, and then you blow through it. And what that does is it gives you this splatter effect. Now it takes a little bit of practice and a little bit of work. I also used that tan color, and this is what we got. So it actually looks like it's been driving the streets of Gotham. It's like really dirty and stuff. I also went around the tires as well with both of those colors and just painted that into the treads. Batman had this, I don't know what to call it, on the back of his cape. So I took black, I painted that, and I also dry brushed his suit black as well, just to get it more realistic looking. And this is the before and after. I think it came out really well. I like it a lot. Um, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching.